State versus Terry Stacy, possession of methamphetamine, drug paraphernalia, residential burglary. Morning, sir.
Hi, with Mr. Stacy, Judge.
Yes.
Your Honor, we're here for a change of plea.
Okay.
Mr. Stacy. He's going to enter a plea of true to the allegations based on the recommendations of 3 years in the Department of Corrections. He'll be given credit for he'll be assessed all fines and costs from the previous case, credit for any payments made towards that.
Mr. Stacy, you were earlier found guilty of possession of methamphetamine and possession of drug paraphernalia and also guilty of criminal trespass.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the state has filed a petition to revoke your probationary period. Do you understand the allegations, what the state contends that you did or didn't do to violate your probation terms? Do you understand what the state...
Your Honor, I believe the primary basis is failure to report and failure to pay.
Okay.
Mr. Stacy, is that correct?
Yes.
There's an allegation of shoplifting and, well, at any rate, he's pleading guilty to violating some terms of his
Yes,
probationary
not all,
period.
but he is admitting that
Okay.
he did not report or pay us directly.
Okay. Are you pleading true to
Yes, sir.
some of these allegations?
If, can we have it all running current here together?
Is that the agreement?
Yes.
Okay.
And just to clarify for Mr. Stacy, Your Honor, this is just one sentence. We've revoked what you were previously on. It's as if it doesn't exist. You're being resentenced
Yes,
today.
yes.
And so there's really nothing for it to run concurrent with. You're only on the one case file.
I guess the individual charges or sentences, rather. Yes. The answer is yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, by entering a plea of true, you're giving up your right to have a hearing where the state would have to prove that you, in fact, failed to report and failed to pay. Do you understand you're giving up that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you also cannot appeal the sentence you get. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you entering this plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Other than what Mr. Bayless has stated here in court, have you been promised anything?
No, sir.
Has anyone threatened or pressured you to get you to do this? You're saying no?
She can't hear you. She's got to hear you.
Oh.
Has anybody
So
pressured you? to
No,
do this?
nobody's pressuring me.
Okay.
No, sir.
And, sir, did you fail to report to your probation officer as you were ordered?
Yes, sir.
And did you fail to make payments as you were ordered?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this time, sir, I'm going to find that you violated the terms and conditions of your probationary period and revoke your probation for the crime of possession of methamphetamine. I'll sentence you to, was it 3 years?
3 years.
3 years in the Arkansas Department of Correction.
Your Honor, just to help clarify for him, this isn't saying that you've been accused of doing this a second time. This is all based on the original case that you pled guilty to last time.
Okay.
Okay. And for a possession of drug paraphernalia, I'll sentence you to 3 years in Department of Correction to run concurrent. And for criminal trespass, you'll be sentenced to 10 days in the county jail to run concurrent. Again, you're ordered to pay $200 in costs, a $1,000 fine, a $20 booking fee, a $125 drug crime assessment, a DNA fee of $250, $200 in public defender fees. You'll be given credit for any sums you paid. You'll pay the remainder, if any, at the rate of $100 per month, beginning within 60 days after your release from incarceration. You'll get credit for
Can
time
we get that
served.
lower to 50, because I haven't had to pay child support on my deal, and you're
$50.
$50?
$50.
Okay, that work.
Anything else? All right. State versus Jeffrey Grigg, criminal attempt to manufacture methamphetamine. It's the original charge. 10-249.
Your Honor, Mr. Grigg, I don't know if does the docket reflect if he's been arraigned on this?
He has not.
I didn't think he had. We're going to enter a plea of not true to the allegations. I visited with probation and parole. I think there's a recommendation of a $250 cash bond on these matters. If we could have him reappear on the 30th.
What was the recommended bond?
250 cash.
Hearing on October 30th, 10 o'clock, bond 250 cash.